Hello, and welcome to another payboxtimer.com mobile app navigation video. And now we're going to use our prepay code to make a mobile payment for our coin box. First, we're going to connect our phone to our paybox. Then I'm going to select the amount of time I want to buy. Then I'm going to enter in my prepay code. Lastly, I'm going to hit Charge Prepay Balance and my payment will be made. So here live, we're entering in our prepay code. We're scrolling down for our times, getting price quotes, and then making payment. And after we've made our payment, we can see our account balance displayed at the upper part of the screen. And that's all there is to it. For more information, you can visit us at limitedresources.us or payboxtimer.com. You can also call us at 1-647-931-1829. Thank you very much and have a great day.